Hello everyone. We are here, Krishna, Dilip, Ashish, myself, and Vivek for a network project for the Farmer for Farmer company. So these are the contents in our project presentation of the business more. So let's start. This is the introduction part of the business. So it is a cooperative business located in the Queensland, Brisbane. So business focuses on supplying fresh products produced from the farmers, local farmers, to the clients and various retailers. So it aims to provide a better service with a better price to all the farmers as well as the customers with effective and uh, efficient manner. So it has. So here we are going to build a proper network for the business about deal with the clients and with suppliers to with the company. Next one is business goals. Have some certain goals. Some one of them is supply chain establishment. Here we are going to establish a supply chain network for the business so that they can manage all the system delivery system everything in a proper way. So the business goals also ensure a better price to the farmer with their all the equipments and everything. Business also provide fertilizer and other items required for the farmers to produce their product. So here are some of the constraints in the business that is being faced by farmer for farmer. And first one is challenging is regarding handling a large volume of data. So for data analysis and now at the present time, due to large number of customers and all the delivery route to the equipment needed to the farmers, all the data should be regarded and taken carefully for making this network. And so challenge for data analysis due to a volume of data. One is communication issues. Due to lack of drivers, delivery truck drivers from operating from the region area, and it is only in the head office, so they're having a communication problem between all the clients and business. So the next one is centralized business network. As I said, all the office work is uh, located in the all the office work are related and operated from the Brisbane from the office itself. So due to centralized network, so all the link in the supply chain are not well communicating and having problems. So it can be another constant. So for the further technical goals and trade-off, I'd like to call Krishna for presentation. Further.
Thank you, Ashish. Hello, everyone. As my friend already discussed about the business goals and challenges for farmer company, and today we are here to discuss. I'm here to discuss about the technical goals. There are lots of technical goals for farmer company, but here are some of the list which we have mentioned here. As we know, farmer company is a company which are dealing with the products taking from the clients, taking from the farmers and delivering to the client. So the first technical would be for the company that clients makes you the company makes sure that clients are able to make order by a web interface. And the second thing, the client are able to communicate with the drivers, as the drivers they are too far from the client, they can't be in touch with them. So there should be a communication between the client and the driver so that they can manage about the products and view, and then so that the drivers can deliver it. And the third thing is everybody wants the good products, whether by seeing it or by physically. So the company makes sure that the good products are kept in the web interfaces so that the clients can view face products. And also the delivery vehicles, the truck drivers, they are ensure that they can find or locate the nearest farmers for the client through the web surface. Can you do the next slide, please? And also we are discussing about the technical trade-offs. Technical trade-offs, as we know, the in the system there are many there are chances of being attacked or something like that. So by like breezing, so the system has to be high level. It should be that high level data information should be required for the system. Also, also there should not be any sort of problem like uh, disturbances in the internet or something like that. So the system must not face any sort of problem during execution of this. And the next slide will be continued by our friend Dilip.
Hi everyone, my name is Dilip and I would like to discuss today about logical diagrams, user commands, how the data storage is occurring and how the network application runs and the traffic flows within the network. Here, as shown, organization employees use database server to store client and sale data access, and the client use web servers for placing the orders and client use application servers for payment of the order. So the two different servers are used for accessing and payment of the order, and all users have one single server, email server, to send and receive emails back to the organization or well as client farmers or the delivery drivers. And a client use application server with communicating with the truck drivers, and truck drivers use database server for fetching the delivery orders, because all the delivery orders are stored in the database. And clients use application server to view the producers online, and organization employees use application server for paying the farmers. Just the and here are the IP addresses, Class C IP addresses used for the communication. And the Brisbane office has 4 IP addresses reserved for server and 6 devices for accessing or sending the emails, receiving and processing everything. Total 10 hosts are connected, and these are the IP addresses for the servers and office devices used. And the delivery truck office has only the 4 devices connected. So these are the 4 IP addresses used here. And the IP addressings used here for communicating between the servers inside the organization is private addressing, because all the servers are located at one place in the Brisbane office. So private addressing used in between them. And private IP addresses is used for the outside servers, like farmers will be accessing and delivery truck drivers will be accessing. For them, private IP addresses will be used. Virtual proxy network, virtual private network is established to maintain security in between the network. As mentioned earlier, Class C IP addresses is used in local network for the Brisbane office. Next. And here is the logic diagram. 4 servers are placed in the Brisbane server room, and this is the Brisbane office where the 6 devices are connected, and farmers, they can use through the wireless any device they want, they can access through it. And the truck station has 4 devices connected. All these are maintained by Brisbane server room. This has a this is used by VPN, virtual private network, and it has 3 different firewalls located. And link state routing protocol is used by the 4 routers. It is used to maintain a standard communication, and between the firewall, virtual private network is integrated for security purposes, and SSL is also used for security. And switching protocols used here or border gateway protocol is used for external communication, and open short first protocol will be used for the local communication between the servers in the Brisbane room. And security mechanism used here is physical security, and data encryption is used to make sure data transmitted or external network there will be sending encrypted data, and these firewalls will block any type of malicious data coming into the network from outside the organization. Next. Yes, as mentioned earlier, these were the routing protocols used. Link state routing protocol is used to maintain a standard communication, and virtual private network is integrated to make sure we have the perfect security for the network, and SSL is also used for the security. Switching protocols, as mentioned earlier, border gateway protocol is used for external communication to make sure no one attacks the system. And open shortest path first protocol is used for local area communication in between the organizations.
Hello, it's me Vivek. I'm going to present today about a security mechanism. Like security is needed in each and every field, like to protect the information from the user and to protect the information of the organization. As data security has become one of the big issues on the today's world. This kind of security is the process of taking physical and software preventive measure to protect the underlying network infrastructure from like unauthorized access, misuse, malfunction, discourse, modification, and destruction. So they are thereby creating a secure platform for computer, user, and program to perform the like permitted critical function with a secure environment. It will be protected for both user and client. That is the biggest thing that is needed for security. The physical security will be implemented for protection against human-made disaster, as encryption and cryptography will make the data secure from each and every aspect. And by providing a secure network, we can protect our system from hacker and other aspects that can make a big impact on our network. Authentication is another important part that is needed for the network. Like without authentication, we cannot identify exact the user and the like organization which using the access to the network and can be provided things. Packet filtering will save the network from disruption and DOS attack. Conclusion, like proper network security is required for any type of organization network. Like in the context of farmer for farmer will can ensure proper organization function by using the network. VPN as virtual private network will provide security in each and every field, like allow you to create a secure connection to another network over the internet. These are our reference that we use for this presentation. Thank you.